Minimal hero issun modern style. Once upon a time, a small young man named Issun lived in a city. His height is only 30 centimeters. Although he looked small and tended to be overlooked, he had a big dream. I wanted to prove my power in the hustle and bustle of the city. Issun went on a sparkling steel bicycle on a street corner surrounded by buildings in the city center every day. One day, he looked at people in trouble. A woman who dropped a new smartphone, an old lady whose leash broke while walking her dog, and tourists who got lost. Issun came up with what he could do on the spot. He helped identify the location of the new smartphone from the woman's bag with his small hands. Next, to chase the dog, he ran out of his bicycle and made full use of his small body to catch the dog quickly. And I used my smartphone to show the way to tourists. His activities spread on SNS and became known as Minimum Hero Issun. Many people were moved by his help to help people at all times and became his fans. Eventually, Issun launched a service called Issun Handyman and started a business to help. Even with a small body, he became popular locally as a professional who does a variety of jobs. And the people of the town began to evaluate issun by the size of their behavior, not by height. In this way, issun made his dream come true and became more brilliant than anyone else. That's it.